Welcome Garden and Gun to Worthen's 40,000 square foot studio located in Richmond, Virginia. There's a saying, the devil is in the detail. But for Worthen, it's our talented metal crafters and artisans who take pride in the sustainable and functional art created daily while minding detail with skilled hands such as these. This metal crafter has been with Worthen for 4 decades. He has already measured and marked the steel according to the specs for our queen-size canopy frame. He's now ready to cut and bend. The pieces will be welded into the majestic frame of the Flying Arch Canopy bed. Sandblasting removes oil and grime, prepping the bed for our hand-applied powder coat paint. The finish cures as it bakes in the oven. Meanwhile, in casting, the alloy in the crucible is now 1100 degrees and at its purest state. Ladled carefully into the pineapple mold, it instantly cools and sets. Our in-house upholstery team has been busy cutting patterns for the upholstered headboard and footboard. We offer a beautiful selection of fabrics to our customers and designers. Of course, customizing with their own fabric choices is always welcomed. Our team efforts are materialized during assembly. Our rails and connectors are a century-old tapered wedge system. No nuts and bolts to ensure you will sleep tight. After assembly and inspection, a brass plaque with our Worthen logo is attached to the frame, our maker's mark, if you will, establishing our heirloom guarantee for generations, just in case the great-great-grandchildren lose the receipt. The Flying Arch Canopy is a customer designer and boutique hotel favorite and can be customized head to foot, so to speak. With both modern and old-world techniques, with sleek, refined curves, we believe our bed is the quintessential made in the South entry.